Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can use forms in Excel to enter your data. So you may want to perform data entry and make it simple for yourself to avoid the rigor of using macros or using VBA. In such an instance, you would have to use forms to make your work easy, and that's what I want to show you in this video. Let's see how it works in practice. So here you can see I have three columns here: customer name, product, and quantity. Now for me to be able to use these forms, I'll have to convert these to a table. So what I will do is just click on this insert and table, or I can use the shortcut that will give me the table selected, that is Control T. So if I do Control T, you can see it has been able to detect the table. So my table has header, and these are the headers. So I will check this and OK. So what I will now do next is to bring my forms to the quick access toolbar. Okay, here. So to do this, I will click on this down arrow key and then go to more options, more commands, click on this more commands. Then here we have choose commands from. I will select commands not in the ribbon specifically. Then scroll down to now where I will have the forms. So once I see forms, I select it. So here is where I have forms. So I will click on this form and then add it to the quick access toolbar and then OK. Once I do this, you can now see that I have it here. Okay. So to be able to enter data into the forms, I will just come to this form, which is now present in my access toolbar, and click on it. So you can now see I have customer name, product, and quantity. I can enter the information here. So for customer name, the first customer I have is Ali Moses. And then the product he is buying his laptop, and he's buying 5 quantities. So I will just enter. I will use my enter key, and you see it appears. So the second customer is Bola BC, and product is desktop, and quantity is 10. I can just enter. This is just what I can do continuously. So here I can have OB. Let me add product. Product can be mouse, and quantity can just be 20. And you can see this is just how we can continuously add our data using this form feature. And that's just what I would like to show you in this video. I hope you were able to find this video helpful. And please, if you were, kindly like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.